Accounting, in my opinion, is a very much insulated career. Now, I say this with a lot of humbleness as I myself am a convert. After specializing in mechanical engineering, I moved to accounting and finance. Now, I owe this in many respects to my mom, who insisted on me getting an MBA. And to be honest, it did help me in my career quite a bit. Accounting and finance is needed practically everywhere, from hospitals to spacecraft launches. Finance and accounting as a career also generally bucks the trends of economic downturns quite nicely, as it is one of the last professions to slow down. In fact, in many of the slowdowns and times of economic turmoil, the accountants have had a lot more work to accomplish, and they have been far too busy. Now, accounting gives a person a wide margin of career paths to choose from. I have selected 3 options that I had early in my career to choose from. After having qualified as an MBA in finance and after having done my CPA. Now, the easiest way to big riches is, of course, joining any financial institution, the merchant bankers, the insurance companies, becoming a stock market analyst. And with some extremely hard work in understanding graphs and following trend lines and understanding fundamental and technical analysis, and having some very early career exposure and experience, this is an absolutely great choice. But mind you, this is also super specialization, and it does have very fast burnout rates as well. Also, this path, being the easiest path to big riches, also has a maximum of risk. Like they say, with great rewards or with great risk comes great rewards. Now, the option I would suggest for any of you who's just starting off or who's already in the profession themselves is to join a professional company. What we call as the Big Four right now. They used to be the Big Seven during my days when I started off my career. Right now, you have the PricewaterhouseCoopers, the Ernst & Youngs, the Deloittes, the KPMG. Or even better, join a consulting company if you have the numbers to score. There are a lot of great companies like McKinsey's, Booz Allen, Mercer, Bain. Now, these professional companies help you with a really great grounding in making stellar presentations. They teach you to sell yourself, an extremely important skill. Help you to travel the world at somebody else's expense. And are generally staffed with really high-pumped, adrenaline-flowing partners who push you really hard and pay you for every second of yours. You also get an opportunity to meet senior members of the society and of the industry, and at a very tender age of say even 21 or 22, you can teach a 60-year-old CEO how to run his or her company. Now, the job gives you a tremendous confidence and builds a good character. It also allows you to specialize in an area of your choice, or you can move across functions if you are still a bit undecided. Now, the choices you have is either to stick to your current firm and become a partner yourself. Of course, for that, you have to be really good at making sales pitches and have Herculean energy. Or alternatively, like what I did, leave and join the industry. Now, I joined Nestle after about 5 years consulting with PricewaterhouseCoopers. The finance industry is quite tame in comparison with the absolutely heady finance you get to work on at the banks or at the financial institutions. There is absolutely no financial engineering, and creativity is limited to being able to forecast the next month's P&L with a decent margin of accuracy. Now, friends, I'm not suggesting that there is financial engineering which goes on in the financial institutions or the stock market agencies and the stock market analysts. However, that's the general perception. Now, a good grounding in industry in the areas of costing, accounting, management accounting, and profitability analysis combined with commercial controlling will set you up for a really great start. And then it's just a matter of learning the ropes and networking. It's very important to make the right connections and to constantly keep updating yourself. I also highly recommend a stint in technology, especially with business analytics, data mining, dashboarding. Now, this will also set you up for a great career in the fields of accounting and finance. And like I said, friends, accounting and finance is an absolutely great career choice. I am a convert myself, and you can take it from me. Good luck.